Hi everyone! Welcome back to Pastel Talks. I am Fotini from Rewardful, and in this video I'm gonna talk about something quite controversial I've seen popping up on my LinkedIn feed. Affiliate marketing is dead. Is that even true? Spoiler alert, it's not. In this episode, I'm gonna share with you my top 3 tips that you must apply to your affiliate program to win in the long run. If you wanna keep your affiliate marketing strategy strong and get significant results, keep watching, because this one's for you. Affiliate marketing is not dead. It's still one of the most powerful and trusted growth channels out there. Why? Unlike ads and SEO, affiliate marketing is easy to start and doesn't require a big budget to get started. Once you set it up, you only pay when there are conversions, and the revenue potential is massive. And at the core of it, trust. People trust people more than they trust brands. 69% of consumers say they trust influencers, friends, and family more than information coming directly from a brand. And affiliate marketing is built on that exact foundation. But here's the thing, it's 2025 now, so if you're still running your affiliate program like in the old days, you're probably missing out on growth potential. You know what I mean? Those generic affiliate links thrown into random blog posts with no real connection to the content or the audience. That can still work in some SEO or influencer-driven strategies, but the programs that generate the biggest sales today follow a more optimized strategy. Which brings me to the next point. Modern affiliate marketing is a whole different game. Now it's all about strategic partnerships between your brand and creators with whom you enjoy collaborating, authentic and quality content that your audience genuinely enjoys consuming, and creators and influencers you carefully selected because they're relevant to your product and niche. It's smarter, it's more integrated, and way more powerful. If you want to win in this new era of affiliate marketing, here are 3 things that you need to get right. Affiliate marketing is no longer about collaborating with influencers with huge followings. It's about finding trusted voices to the spaces that matter to your audience. These are creators who have credibility. They've spent time building real relationships with their communities. So when they recommend something, people actually pay attention and take action. That's why finding the right partners matters way more than chasing vanity metrics. That's exactly how Sam Wright, head of operations and partnerships at Hunter, approached their affiliate program. Hunter is an AI-driven resume builder and job search management platform. They didn't start with a massive audience or an internal team dedicated to affiliate marketing. Places like LinkedIn and coaching spaces where job seekers were already looking for tools and advice. Hunter now has over 100 active affiliates and has generated over tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate revenue. Let's hear it from Sam.
We found really great results in getting over 100 affiliates, tens of thousands of traffic through those partnerships, and tens of thousands of dollars in terms of revenue coming in from the affiliate program. One of my favorite features of Rewardful is PayPal's mass payouts, and it's all clearly documented. Rewardful is a partner that really helps you get started and up and running very quickly with your affiliate program.
Once you start partnering with the right people in the right spaces, your program will take off quickly. And when that happens, you want to make sure that your backend can keep up. Which brings me to tip 2. Affiliate marketing isn't about drowning in spreadsheets, emails, and manual tracking anymore. It has changed so much that trying to manage your program the old school way will just drive you crazy. Think about all the admin stuff, onboarding new affiliates, making sure their links are working, tracking conversions, handling payouts. It might sound manageable at first, but you will end up spending way too much time on admin work instead of actually scaling your program. That's where automation comes in and becomes a total game changer. Take Opus Clip, for example. They are an AI-powered video tool that blew up with content creators, and their affiliate program was growing and growing at the same time. They prevented themselves from drowning in manual work by setting up a system using Rewardful's advanced automation processes. The result? Over $100K in affiliate-driven revenue and a smooth experience for both their team and partners. My advice? Just like Opus Clip, free yourself up to focus on what really matters. Recruit new partners, support your top affiliates, and optimize your strategy as your affiliate program scales. Last tip for today, ditch the set it and forget it approach. You must actively manage your program. And let me say it one last time, actively manage your program. Having an affiliate program landing page on your website, well, yes, that's a good start, but it's not going to be enough. If you want to see results, you have to treat it as a growth channel. Here's what you must start doing. Check in with your top partners on a regular basis, keep those conversations going, offer exclusive promos or early access, and share what's working and what's not. It's about managing the relationship with your affiliates actively, just like you do with your customers. What I'm saying is, the best affiliate programs don't run themselves. They get nurtured and optimized all the time. That personal touch, this is what separates the good programs from the great ones. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing has certainly changed, and if you know how to adapt, then it offers huge potential. So what did you find most helpful today? Tell me in the comments. In the next episode, I will show you how to prevent and stop affiliate fraud. To get more affiliate marketing tips, subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. And now, I've got a pastel de nata waiting. See you in the next one.